We got the low-rise elevator here. I think that one's going up. Yeah, I don't know. I might pause for the wait. Now we got this one here, actually. I'll just cram on, you know, that's what I do.
Yeah.
Ah, there we are. First floor. Yep, as always. Alright. Now these ones have some unique stuff. Hold.
First floor.
Touch screen.
Going up.
Yeah, they replaced the old
First floor. Going up.
yeah, they replaced all the stuff with screens. This is the only one they did that on.
Shoot. Wait.
19. Nice. Alright.
Yeah, see, that was a close one.
19th floor. Yeah. Thanks, you too.
Going up. 19th floor.
Wow.
Going up.
What an exciting voice.
I know.
It's very
It's the
cheerful.
butterfly that's exciting when it flies up fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, wait, there's a blue butterfly now.
Yep. Alright, have a good afternoon. Thanks. So this type of
21st
elevator,
floor. Going up.
you can also use the keypad down here. So,
From Braille.
yeah, like if I wanted to type in, say, you know, 30, enter, it'll select
Go
it.
in there, yeah.
So that's the top floor we can get to on this set.
Okay.
Yep. Nothing really up here on 30.
No.
So we might as well just hop back on.
Going down.
You can hit 1 on here, or you can just hit star there.
Going down.
Maybe. Well, maybe. 28, 27, 26, 25. We'll get a look at this little tower in the back. Yep. Going down. Doing alright, how are you?
25th floor. Going down.
These things talk a lot. Thank you. Thanks, you too. Oh. Here, let's wait like right here.
For
The next one. Alright. There, now we'll get that one over there. Oh no, it does work. There it is. It'll go to 38.
Sounds like a really long flight.
We got here before we left.
Alrighty. 38. Yep. Used to not be able to go up to the top floors. You could always only go to like the second to the top. I wonder if it'll let you go to 45. Behind you.
no, I mean the.
Oh, no screens. No.
Yeah.
No, the other one has the screens. I don't know why this one has, or this one doesn't have them. That's actually kind of odd, but yep. All right. Yep. So yeah, those don't do much. But here, I'll look at the back panel there where you're standing. Got the same tower design as the low-rise, actually. Going up to 38th. It's kind of dark in here. So this one doesn't have anything at it. It's the Waldorf room. So let's go back to 1.
Yeah.
Hopefully we won't stop on the way down, but since when does that ever happen? So, yeah, places like this. Oh, hey, look at that, no stops. They installed another card reader. It used to be just the big one on the left. Now they got one on the right side too. So I wonder if we'll be able to get to 45. So far, I've gotten to every locked floor that's usually locked. Usually 40 through
Well,
45.
At night, all these are locked because
Oh, they
it
are.
says
Yeah, after 10 o'clock. Wow, why couldn't we have been in here like now?